Okay. Good morning, aviators. How are you guys?
Good.
Good. Any plans for the weekend? Any fun things you wanted to do with your families or over break? Yeah.
On Thanksgiving Day, I'm gonna celebrate by going to Mexico.
Ooh, what are you gonna do in Mexico?
Meet family.
Meet family? Just have a little dinner together? Okay. Is this your mom's side or your dad's side of the family?
My dad's side.
Your dad's side? Oh, that's fun. Okay. What about you, Vianney?
I'm gonna celebrate Thanksgiving at my grandma's house.
Okay, are you guys just gonna do you have a lot of family or do you just have a couple of family members?
We have like a lot of family members, but we don't really like.
You guys don't really have like a huge thing for Thanksgiving. It's just like a small dinner.
Yeah.
Got it. Okay. Well, that sounds great. But to end our Friday and to top off your guys' weekend, we are going to learn about the topic of decomposing, right? So just a couple of rules and some of my expectations that align with our aviator culture, right? So today we're gonna soar. We're gonna soar to our highest and to the best of our ability. So soaring means to stay safe, right? Keeping your hands to yourself, making sure you guys have enough space to do your work. Soaring means to have an outstanding attitude. So raising your hands, asking good questions. Remember, there's no dumb question in learning because we're all a part, right? We all ask questions every day and there's nothing dumb about a question. It's just you're really curious and want to know. And then always be respectful. So respect each other's space, respect my learning, and I'm gonna respect your guys' learning, right? And to always be responsible and ready to learn. So that all aligns with having a good attitude and being prepared with your materials, right? So if you need some pencils, go ahead and grab that. If you guys wanna go get your pencil box or so, I'll be waiting for you here. So go ahead, get your pencil box. I have some pencils for you here too. If you guys need it. Okay, whenever you guys are ready. Thank you for being quiet. Yep, I have one right here for you. Okay, all right. So a couple of rules and expectations that I have for you guys for today is to be kind, right? Be kind to yourselves, right? It's okay to make a mistake and ask questions because we're all learning here, right? Try your best. So what does trying your best mean? What do you think that means? Yes.
Doing your best.
Right, and right, giving your all. That's what trying your best means to me. What do you think trying your best means to you, Julian?
Like giving it all.
Giving your all, right? Your best efforts. Yep, that's exactly it. And asking questions if you need help. So like I said, you're gonna raise your hand if you have a question. I'll eventually get to you because I'm gonna monitor you guys both, right? Okay, so what do you guys know about decomposing? What does that mean to you? Yes.
It's like breaking apart.
Breaking apart, right. So breaking apart what specifically? Numbers, right? So that's what we're gonna do today as a group. We're gonna learn how to decompose, as in break apart, numbers using the operation of addition, okay? And today I'm going to teach you how to use two strategies, right? We're going to learn how to use the base 10 system, and we're going to learn how to use these called base 10 rods and unit cubes, okay? So our first example here, You guys can just watch. So we have 45 plus 14, right? So if I were to use the base 10 system, how many tens would I need based off of this? So if you want to look at it, think a little bit, then raise your hand if you know. If I were to decompose 45. I like how you're using your fingers. 4, right? So if I were to decompose the number 45, I would need 4 tens, right? Is that you're gonna say that, Julian? Right, that's right? So 7, that was a good answer. I like how you were confident. But if I were to have 7 tens, that would be 75, right? But because we're using 45, it would be 4 tens, correct? Yes, Julian.
To make 45, you need like 4 tens, then like 5 ones.
5 unit cubes, that's right. Okay, how about 14? Right, so let's look at our tens column and our ones column. Yes.
We need 1 10
And how many?
and 4 ones.
4 ones, right? You agree, Biene? Right, so I need 1 10 and I need 4 unit cubes, which equal 1, right? So our sum, so if 45 plus 14 equals, our sum means the solution, right? That's our answer, is 59. Does that make sense? Thumbs up if we agree, right? I agree. Sweet. Okay, now I'm gonna teach you another strategy on how to decompose. Okay, so what we talked about before, what do you guys think this is?
Cubes.
10 rods, right? Do you know why they're 10 rods?
Because there's 10.
There's 10 on here. So if you guys touch it, go ahead and grab your 10 rod. Go ahead and count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Does that make sense why they're called 10 rods? Right? So they have 10, and a rod is something that looks like this, right? So these are called 10 rods. Repeat.
10 rods.
10 rods. All right. And you can go ahead and put it back. Beautiful. All right. What do you think these are called?
They're called
Ones or unit cubes, right? So in math, this is called a cube. A cube has 6 faces, right?
Yeah.
6 faces. And this unit cube equals 1, right? Do you guys agree? It equals 1. So if I were to put unit cubes out, how many unit cubes would I have here? 3, right? How many unit cubes would I have here, Julian?
4.
4, right? So they equal 1. All right. So, go ahead and put it back. Go ahead. All right. We are going to do one together. Okay, so I'm gonna leave this up here, okay? And here's a couple of sentence frames that I can use in order to explain my math thinking. All right, so let's do one together. Go ahead and write it on the back of this paper. Okay, ready? All right, let me just erase this really quick. Okay, so let's do 21 plus 32. Okay, 21 plus 32. That's our problem that we're gonna do together. You have the option of using these to decompose your 10 rods and your unit cubes, or you have the option of writing it out using the base 10 system on the board. Does that make sense? Okay, if you have any questions, feel free to ask. I'm here to help. Okay, so let's break it down using the base 10 system first. How many 10s do you think I need to break down 21? You can go ahead and use your 200s chart too, counting down vertical to get to 20, right? So we'll be in the 10s column, right? 10, 20. How many? So, right, 10, 20. How many times did I move down the column using my 200s chart? Twice, right? So how many 10s do you think I need? 2. Do you agree that I need 2 10s?
Yes.
Perfect. Okay, so I'm gonna write. Okay, you should be writing that on your paper. Okay. 2 10s to make 21, right? Does that make sense?
Yes.
Cool. And, right, I have 20 here, correct? I need 1. So how many unit cubes do I need to make 1? What do you think?
Make 1 more.
Right, so if a unit cube equals 1, how many would I make? Or how many unit cubes? 1, right?
Yeah.
1, right? Does that make sense? Cool. Okay, how about 32? 32. You can go ahead and show me
32, you need 3 10s.
3, right? I like how you pulled out your 10 rods. Show me 3. Count 3. Good. 3 10s. I like how you were using your manipulatives to help you out. Very good.
Then you
3
need,
10s. So how would I write that out?
then you will need like 3 1s.
How would I write that out?
No, 2 1.
So I would write 10 plus 10 plus 10, correct? That equals 30, correct. How many more do I need to add to make 32? 2 1s or 2 unit cubes, good job. Okay, plus. Okay, so now we're gonna, based off my anchor chart, okay, make sure we're paying attention here, right? I wanna start here. This is where I wanna start, in the 1 spot. And then I will eventually move to my 10s column. But first, what is 2 plus 1? You can use your 200s chart.
2 plus
2
1 is 3.
3, you agree? Sweet. Okay, so I have 3 here, right? So I'm gonna cancel this out, because I did 2 plus 1 already, which is 3. Okay, and how many 10s, VNA, do you see at the top? 2. Okay, and Julian, how many 10s do you see on the bottom? So if she says she sees 2 here, how many do you see here?
3.
3. Okay, so if I have 2 10s on top, I have 3 10s on the bottom. How many 10s do I have in all? 5. Do you agree? So how did you get 5?
Because I added all the 10s, which got me 5.
Right, so you did 3 10s plus 2 10s, right? And that's what you got equals 5. Good job. Okay, do we agree that our answer is 53? Sweet. Okay, so let's use our sentence frame. What is the sum? So you're gonna use the sentence frame. The sum is, go ahead. What do we think? So the sum is, right, so say it out loud, so we're confident.
53.
The sum is 53. You go.
The sum is 53.
Right. There are how many 10s? So if this is my 1s, and this is my 10s, there are
5.
5 10s. And how many 1s, Viene? 3 1s. Good job. Okay, do we feel confident on that? Okay. Now, let's use Let's do another one using our unit cubes and 10 rods. Okay, so you're gonna write, you are going to write 14 plus 25. Okay, let's take out our manipulatives. Okay, let me know when you're ready. Go ahead and take out the manipulative DNA. Okay, we're gonna share, okay? Okay. Sweet. So first, how can I show 14, right? How many 10 rods do I need to show 14? One, right? So here's one 10 rod.
Then you need.
How many unit cubes?
Then you want. Oh, four. Four. Yeah,
14s, right? So I would have 110. So go ahead, let's all do it together. 110. And then I would have 4, go ahead, unit cubes, right? You can use some of these too if you need to. Yep. So we got that? Sweet. Okay, put this to the side really quick. Okay, so this is 14, right? 110, and I have 4 unit cubes. Okay, let's put this to the side because we're gonna make another number. How about 25? How many 10 rods do I need?
25.
2.
You will need 2 10s.
Yes, 2 10s. So go ahead and grab 2 10s.
2 10s.
And 25. How many unit cubes is that?
5 units.
5 ones. Good job. I like how you're using your vocabulary. Very nice. So I would need 5, right? Okay. So you have your 2 piles, right? How many unit cubes do I have? So if we were to
5 units.
5 plus 4, what is that using your 200
5
chart?
plus 4 equals 9.
9, right? So we would write under, okay, go ahead and write 9. So under 4 plus 5 is 9 in the ones. Good job. Okay. And how many 10s do I have here?
3
3.
10.
3 10s. Good job.
That makes
Mm-hmm.
30.
Yes, 30 10s, but 3 10s. So you would write 3 here. Go ahead and write 3.
3.
Mm-hmm. 3. Good job. Do we have any questions? Right? Do we understand? We get this? Sweet. If you have any questions, go ahead and ask. Okay? So I'm gonna have you do, I'm gonna give you an exit ticket, okay? We just did numbers 1 and 2 together. Now we're gonna do numbers 3 and 4 on your own, okay?
3 and 4.
We did 1 and 2 all together. Now we're gonna do 3 and 4. Try to do it on our own. Remember, you can use these, your 10 rods, and your unit cubes, or you can use the base 10 system. Okay? Does that make sense? All right, go ahead and start. Go ahead. What do you want to use, Julian? These or, okay, let's start. Yes, what is your question?
Can you write a sentence here? Or
Yeah,
just-
go ahead and write you can use any of your sentence frames and you can write them on the lines. Good question. Yep, so there are blank 10s and 1s. The sum is, or blank plus blank has how many altogether? Or blank plus blank equals. Okay, go ahead. Okay, good job. Right, way to get started, I like that. Good job, like how you're using your manipulatives to help you. Okay, good job. And then this is your paper. Okay,
And
good job. So I see that you wrote there. There, this will help you. There are. Good job, Julian. How many tens? So if your tens are on the right, left, and your ones are on the right, how many tens are there? 4, right? So 3 plus 1 equals. So on your sentence frame, you're gonna write there are 4 tens. How are you doing, Julian?
good.
Good. All right. Let me know if you have any questions. And okay. Good job. How do you know that?
Because I have 3. No.
4, right?
4
Okay.
10.
And
And I have 8 1s.
yep. And that equals,
48.
right? So your sentence frame would be right here. You got 48 for number 3, right? So go ahead and write the sum is. So this one, the sum is 48. Good job. Okay. 42 plus 17 equals 59. Good job. How do you know that?
Because there's 4 tens
Mm-hmm.
and 1 ten.
Yep.
And you add those together with 5.
Right. Okay.
And then there's 2 ones.
Mm-hmm.
And then there's 7 ones. So then we add those 2.
Yep.
Which is
9. Good job. How are you doing here?
Good.
Good. Are you on the last problem?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Keep working. Good job. All right. I'll give you a couple more minutes.
1, 2, 3,
Nice. I like how you're using your
6.
10 rods and manipulatives. Yep. Good job.
More.
You're doing great. Do you have any questions on how you got to your answers? Pretty self-explanatory. Sweet. How are you doing?
Good.
Good? On your last problem, keep working. Okay. Yep. Go ahead and put your material back when you're finished. Take your time though. There's no rush.
Do that.
Uh-huh. Okay.
And we need 2. So we
Mhm.
could say 12.
Very nice.
6.
Okay.
1.
Yep, I hear you. Good job. Very nice. Okay. All right. So, are you almost done? Okay. Yep, hang in there. You can go ahead and help. You can help him out too and talk to him if he needs help. Okay. Good job. Very nice. Okay. Yep. Maybe you want to try the last one on your own to see till he's done with number 4. Okay. All right.
7.
Okay.
That means 8.
Yep. Keep working. So if I have 4, right? I have 4 tens, and I want to add 1. How many tens is that? If I want to add 1. So 4, I added 1. Right? 5. So I have 5 tens, and if I have 2 unit cubes, I want to add 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many do I have in total using my chart? So if I have 2, I want to add 7.
Hold on.
You can look at my hands too and count. 1, 2,
Wait.
2, and I added 7. 5, 6.
Hold on.
What number is that?
9.
9. So would 9 be here, right? I would have 9 ones. Okay, so go ahead and write 9 ones. Yep. So 9 ones would be 7 plus 2, right? So, and 4 tens plus 1 10 equals, using my chart,
59.
yes, 5, right? So I would have 5 tens. So do you agree that the sum is 59? Repeat.
59.
And put the sentence all together. The sum is,
59.
right? The sum is,
59.
right? How many tens? There are 5 tens, and how many ones?
9.
9 ones. Okay, so to wrap it up, what did you guys learn about decomposing?
We add them all together and find out what number are
Using
units
10 rods
and units.
and unit cubes. What did you learn, DNA?
I learned that we get to plus find out the answer using our
Unit
to
cubes.
help us.
Right, and my sentence frames to help me get to the answer and explain my thinking, right? Okay. Do we have any other questions for today's lesson? No? Okay, good job. Thank you. Thank you for being good listeners. All right.